Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, we have learned about the Marque selection tool. The link is in the description. In this video, we will learn about the second selection tool, that is Lasso tool. Before we start the video, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel so that you can receive notices of my upcoming videos. Let's start the second lesson of selection tool. The second tool for selection is Lasso tool. By clicking on this, we got three options: Lasso tools, Polygonal lasso tools, and Magnetic tools. First option, Lasso tool. It is free form of pen tool. It can use to make a selection really very simple. For example, to make a selection with Lasso tool, just select the Lasso tool, click the object and drag your mouse around the object which is required to you to select. When you release your mouse, the selection will be completed automatically. The rest of the options like add selection, subtract selections, intersect selections and feathers will work same as I taught in my previous video. Link is given in the description. The second option of lasso tool is polygonal lasso tools. It works in straight lines from point to point. Select the polygonal lasso tool and click on the one point, drag your mouse and click on the second point and so on. When you reach near the starting point, a tiny circle will appear. That means your selection is going to be completed. Let's have a look how this polygonal lasso tool is worked by selecting this keyword. Just click on the first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, and so on. But you cannot select the round shapes by this tool. As you see that here are a round shape which cannot be selected by this tool. For that purpose, we have to use another tool. The third option is Magnetic Lasso Tool. It is really a very powerful tool for selection. It sucks the line close to the contrast. If I click on the line and drag the mouse, it's along the line, you can see it's making points. If I pull away quite a long way, you can see it's pulling toward the line, which is massively powerful function of this selection. Let's see the different options of this selection tool. The option add, intersect, subtract work as I told you in my previous video. But this selection tool have three more options. Number one, width, contrast and frequency. Width, it means that how many points will it jump toward the line. Suppose if I put 1 pixel, draw a line, which means magnetic power of this tool is less. Width, it means that how many pixels will it jump toward the line. Suppose if I put 1 pixel and draw the line, which means magnetic power is of this tool is less and it easily leave the path. But if I put 100 pixels, the magnetic power will be higher. Let's have a look on the option practically. If I put 1 pixel and make a selection, It's easily leave the path of contrast line by moving away the mouse. But if I put 100 pixels, the selection becomes easier. Look at this. It's not leaving the path. But if I put 100 pixels, the selection becomes easier. Look at this. It's not leaving the path. The selection area clearly is making the selection along the contrast area. The next option is contrast. It's mean how much contrast is looking for. If we have 100% contrast, that's mean clearly look for line which is very contrast indeed. Whereas if you have 1% contrast, then I will find lots of things that are not contrast. Now the final one is frequency. How frequent do you want to make one of these points? Frequency is distance among the points which are created for selection. If I put 1 in frequency, the distance will become higher. And if I put 100 in frequency, the distance become lesser and selection will become fine. In other words, the frequency is distance between the points that are making during the selection. Dear friends, if you learn through this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.